Tata, anyị ga-enebaga anya ka ndị Igbo si ekwe ekene. In today's video, you are going to be learning how the Igbos greet. It's very simple. So, ka anyị bido kene na ya bụ ife. Chifu ụtụtụ. How do the Igbos greet? Good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. If you don't want to say ụtụtụ ọma, which is very common in Igbo, you can say ndewo. Ndewo. You can actually say ndewo in the morning if you don't want to tell the person ụtụtụ ọma. Or you can also say ibolachi. Ibolachi. So it is either you say ụtụtụ ọma, ndewo, or ibolachi. But ụtụtụ ọma is very common in Igbo. Okay? Then how do the Igbos say good afternoon? In the afternoon, the Igbos in Igbo land in the afternoon, we usually say ndewo. We do not have that. Ehihie ọma is just a new whatever, you know. Or ekene ndị agbara ọhụrụ. You know, that's the new modern way of greeting, ehihie ọma, but it's not common. You cannot just see someone in Igbo and say ehihie ọma. Ehihie means afternoon in Igbo, but we do not say ehihie ọma. We only say ndewo, or ndewo means hi, hello, ndewo. No, they don't really say that's ehihie ọma, but it's the new generation way of greeting. Okay, we move to the evening. You know, in Igbo land, we don't really have what we say in the evening, not mgbede ọma. Mgbede in Igbo land means evening. It means evening. Then, how do we say good night? Good night in Igbo land is very, very common, you know. It's a common way of, you know, telling one another good night. You can actually say kachifo. Kachifo means you are about to leave, or you are about to, you know, leave that spot, you know, to go to somewhere, or you are about to do something else, which is sleeping. You can actually tell your children kachifo. That means good night. Or you can also tell your spouse kachifo. Kachifo means good night. Okay. Some people also say, when somebody tells you kachifo, you need to respond, and that response has to also be in Igbo, which is kachibo. That you want to respond by kachibo, kachifo, kachifo, kachibo. In response, you say kachibo. But you know, good morning and good night is very common in Igbo, and the Igbo people likes to, most of them that likes to speak Igbo, you know, frequently, likes to also greet ụtụtụ ọma, itetego. You can also say itetego. Have you woken up? If you don't want irarukwara ofuma, that one comes to questions, which we will treat, you know, another time. But note that good morning and good night is very, very common in Igbo, that the Igbo actually make use of their language to say that ụtụtụ ọma, good night, kachifo, ngwa kachifo. You know, when there are so many people there, you know, we have a way of also referring to many, which is no. Kachifo no. That means you are referring to more than one person, which is plural in English. Okay? Thank you so much for today's lesson. You get to binyere aya kana akara edemede.